Sweet, sweet little bird. How are you? Tweety, tweety bird. Hi. You found nest? You found nest on that small lemon tree? Oh. You need food? You need water? Oh, he flew. Sorry to disturb you. Go back! Oh my God, I think he's still a baby. Oh! He's injured. Come, come, come. Come here, come here. Oh. Come here. Come here. Baby bird, come here, come here. I will take care of you, come. Don't fly. Don't fly, come here. Bakit ako hulihin? Ay! Natatakot naman ako eh. Ay! Halika, halika, halika. Ayan, nahuli na kita. I got her. Halika na. Huwag ka nang maano. Napilay siya, oh. Napilay yung bird. How will I take care of you? I think this one is came from that net. Maybe he fell down from there. He or she, I don't know. There, oh. You see that? Yeah. There's a nest there, and before there's one bird also fell down. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Stay there. Stay there. Stay. 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 I'll give you water. Wait. Stay there. Okay? Stay there, baby. Stay. Otherwise, I will get a cage for you. Hingal ako, kakatakbo mo. Okay?